Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Curb. Here at Skill Curb, we post daily videos on new cutting edge technologies. Today, we're gonna be exploring the best tools for presentation creation in 2024. We will be discussing 5 free tools and not only discuss them, but actually test them out practically. These tools will speed up your presentation creation and have top-notch output quality. In some of them, you won't even have to do anything. Just a natural language phrase and boom, your presentation is ready. And at the end of the video, I will be sharing a very professional bonus presentation creation tool. Although it is going to be a paid one, it has a very cheap pricing plan, especially for students. Furthermore, I will share a bonus platform for you guys to download free presentation templates from. So without further chit chat, let's dive right in. Pitch is a platform which lets you create presentations using prompts. It is an AI tool which can help you generate the whole presentation for you by just simply typing in prompts. And they are completely free, which is a plus point. So once you have signed up with Pitch, you will see this dashboard here from where you can actually start a new presentation and choose from 100 plus templates. You can start with AI and create using prompt, or you can import any existing presentation from your PowerPoint and then you can re-edit that presentation. So what I'll be doing is I'll be starting with the AI, and here I'll be putting in the idea that I wanted to create presentations about. So I'll be creating presentations about global warming awareness. And all you have to do is click on start generating and it will start doing that. And that's it. Within 15 seconds, it has generated everything for me. A whole set of 11 slides for me within 15 seconds, which is an amazing speed. You can further customize your slides by editing their font. You can edit the prompt again, or you can edit the color palettes. Look at how it edits the colors in real time. As soon as I click on the color palette, it will change the theme, which is mind-blowing. And we can go pro and start editing it. And here you are, you can actually edit each slide, add your very own descriptions to it, although the descriptions are quite relevant as they are generated using AI, which is just mind-blowing. And look at that. Isn't this amazing? I would say this is one of the very best tools for presentation creation if you want to save your time and revolutionize the way you create your presentations. Alright, so once your presentation is done, so what you can do is go to share, and here you can actually go and export your presentation in different formats like PDF compressed, PDF high quality, and PowerPoint PPT. But there's a catch. They will add watermark to your presentation, but I think that is not what matters because they're giving the 100% capability of this tool for free. So let's go and export it, and there you go. It has already exported. Let's go and actually check out how it would look when you're presenting them. So here are your slides. And look at that, it even gives you the graphs and everything. I am personally really impressed by this tool. You must go and try this out because it is completely free. You don't have to pay a single penny to actually use this tool. Ludus is an amazing and powerful tool that you can use to create your very own custom presentations. Ludus has a pricing plan, but they let you try it for free, so it's basically free for starters. Later on, once you're done with your 30 days trial, which is an extensive trial, you can choose if you want to actually go with this tool and go pro. Otherwise, you can move on to something else if you don't find this useful. So once you're done signing up with Ludus, you will see something like this. Here on the dashboard of Ludus, you can create a new presentation just by clicking this plus icon here. You can go and create a blank presentation, or you can go to the theme gallery and clone any of these themes. So let's go and clone this RT theme. So I would click on this and then I will clone this theme into my presentation. So now this theme has been added to my create presentation tab, and here I can click on this and just click on create. And there you go, your presentation is done, and what you need to do now is just edit it. So these are the slides for this theme, which are really great and cool. Let's go and actually test out how it would play when you were actually presenting it. So if I go present, so it would look something like this. I must say this is wholesome. The graphics and the theme is amazing. And all you have to do is click on some options and this theme is here for you for free, at least for 30 days. Later on, it's up to you if you actually want to go pro with this one. But for starters, I would say 30 days is a lot of time to test any tool and see if it is for you or not. You can go and do a lot of things with these elements here. You can change their opacity and all these options are here to tweak with the design of your presentation. You can add text, shapes, and all the stuff here, even the media. And once you're done, you can actually go and share your presentation with anyone using this link here. I would say this is a wholesome and a professional tool for presentation creation. You guys must try this out, and I can bet you won't regret it. So that was Ludus, a presentation creation tool for you guys. Next on the list is Genialy. Genialy is a world on its own. It has presentations, infographics, gamification, interactive image, video, guide, training materials. But what we will be doing in this video, we'll be going and using the presentation feature of Genialy and trying it out. So as soon as you click on presentation, you can see it will provide you with different templates that you can choose from. So let's go with this basic interaction presentation and let's use this template. As soon as you select your template, you can select all the slides that you want to include in the template. You can exclude any slide that you don't want in your template. But for the sake of this video, I'll be selecting all the slides. So click on select all and just click on add. And this will add all the slides to your template and your presentation is ready. Within just 2 minutes, everything is done and your presentation is here. Now you can actually present this, or you can go and edit each slide. You're going to want to add your own title here. So you can go ahead and do that. But what we'll be testing is how good it looks when we actually go and present this. So let's go and check that out. So this is how this presentation is going to look like when you go and click on the present button. The animation, the images, the slide colors, everything is just mind-blowing. And this tool is completely free. Like, you don't have to even pay a penny to use this tool. So I think this is a must-have in your arsenal and you should actually use this one. And look at this. If I click on this plus button, it will add the text to this box here. And you can set the visibility of your presentation to public, private, or draft. And you can actually go and share it using this link here. You can share the link and you can insert it into any iframe. You can send it via mail, social networks, and other options are available like Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams. I would say this is a one-stop shop if you're looking for a good presentation maker that is actually for free for starters. Again, this is a must-have into your arsenal. Next on the list is Zoho Show. Zoho Show is quite amazing and really simple to sign up for, and they are completely free as well for starters. You can sign up using your existing Google account, which literally takes only 15 seconds to sign up. So once you're done with signing up and creating your account, you will see something like this. And here on this dashboard, you can actually upload your own presentations or you can create new presentations. And what is amazing about this tool is they have a wholesome gallery where you can go and look for themes, templates, and even slide designs. So without wasting much time, let's actually go and try to create our very own presentation using Zoho Show. So I'll be clicking on new presentation, and here you can name your presentation, like I would say something like testing. You can change the font, the colors, the layouts of the slide, and you can select from any of the themes here, like this geometric theme that I chose, or you can go and actually select a template for yourself. And here I will select this template, project progress update. So let's go and try to create our very own presentation using Zoho Show. All you have to do is click on choose template and that's it. And within seconds, your presentation is ready to go. Now you can actually go and tweak with the slides, add your very own custom text to the slides. You can even go and change the layout of the slides. For the sake of the video, I will try and play this presentation here and check out the results. So as soon as I click on play, look at that. The presentation has high graphics and everything is aligned perfectly good. The text is relevant. You didn't have to do anything. But what you can do is you can tweak with the text and everything, the styles, and make it your very own presentation, which you can use professionally. And again, I must remind you that this tool is completely free for starters, which is mind-blowing on its own. and you can further share this presentation as well. So that was Zoho Show for you guys. If you want to create outstanding and engaging presentations within just a few minutes, saving you time and making the presentations look more professional, use this tool. Next up on the list is Tome.ai. I bet most of you have heard about Tome.ai. Tome.ai is an amazing tool to create presentations using natural language prompts. It is free for starters, and later on, if you want to actually go pro, you can upgrade it with a nominal price of $16 a month. So once you're done signing up your Tome.ai, you will see a dashboard something like this. Here you can create your new tomes or you can generate with AI. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going and generating it using the AI, not choosing from any of these templates here, which you can choose if you want to. So I'll be going and creating it using the AI. So click on this. Here you have to enter the prompt, what your presentation is about. So my presentation is again going to be global warming awareness. And once you're done with the prompt, just click on generate outline. So it will generate the outline in this section here. So the outline is done. What you can do is you can add or subtract any of these outlines, or you can rearrange these outlines however you want. I think for demonstration, this outline is good enough. So let's go and generate all the pages. So it started generating the presentation for me. And it's done generating, and to be honest, it didn't took it more than 10 seconds to generate this presentation for me, and my prompt was just 3 words. So you can create your custom prompt and ask this amazing tool to generate a whole lot of amazing presentations for you. So what we can do is we can add media, we can add text or tables or graphs or charts. Let's go and play this presentation and check how it actually looks like. So look at that. The graphics are top-notch and amazing. I would say this is just mind-blowing. What you can do later on once you're done with your presentation is you can click on this share button here and you can share this link with anyone, and you can even give them access, like they can play the presentation or they can do whatever they want with the presentation. So it's up to you. So I strongly recommend you guys to use this tool. Alright, so once you have your Presi set up, your account signed up and everything, you will see something like this. Here you can create your own presentation, record a video, explore examples, or create any infographic. So what we'll be doing today in this video, we'll be creating a presentation using Presi AI. As soon as you click on create presentation, it will give you lots of templates from which you can choose, and you can even search for templates. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going with this template here. Just click on this and you can use this template right away. One thing I must mention is that Presi has a very economic pricing for students. So as you can see, the template is loaded. Now it's going to ask you to configure your device. If you're using a mouse, just click OK. And here is your setup. Now what you can do is you can create as many presentations as you want, and this will create all the animations and everything for you for each element. And when you actually go and play the presentation, every time you click, it's gonna go and it's gonna zoom in with all the transitions and everything. This is one of the best tools out there if you want to revolutionize the way you make presentations within just a few minutes. It took me not more than 1 minute to set up my Presi account. You can choose from multiple templates out there in their store and create as many presentations as you want. So that was Presi, and I won't go in depth with this tool because it is a whole word on its own. So you can play with it, you can explore its features, and I could guarantee this, that this one is going to literally revolutionize the way you create your presentations. And another bonus that I have for you guys is this website, Slides Carnival. Here you can search for any template for your PowerPoint or Google Slides, and then you can download that template for free. Just like if I want to go and download some educational templates like research, here I can choose any of these templates, just click on the template, and then it will give me the option to download it for Canva, or you can export it for PPT. And this is the template which you can see here. So that was another bonus for you guys if you're looking to create engaging and mind-blowing presentations for work or studies. And that's a wrap, folks. We went through the top tools for presentation creation and actually tested them out. We explored a bonus tool and a platform as well. Now I bet you won't need to spend hours creating those old boring presentations anymore. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Skillcur for more content on cutting-edge technologies. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Stay curious and keep exploring.